The Google Pixel Watch and the Apple Watch Series 8 are now two of the most talked about and anticipated smartwatches on the market. Both have made great achievements in the field of wearable technology, and both have garnered a devoted fan base among techies. In all likelihood, you won't be deciding between the Pixel Watch and the Apple Watch. It is still important to weigh the features individually. Both watches may be excellent choices, but one may have characteristics that are preferable to the other. In this video, we'll cover the fundamental differences between the Google Pixel Watch and the Apple Watch Series 8, helping you make an informed decision on which one to purchase. Comparing both the watch design side by side, the Pixel Watch appears to be more visually appealing. Its minimalist and polished appearance resembling a smooth pebble exudes a sense of refinement and sophistication. In contrast, the Apple Watch Series 8 still retains the familiar rectangle and curved design that has been in use since 2015. While it is by no means unattractive, it falls short when compared to the sleek and elegant design of the Pixel Watch. Clearly, in terms of aesthetics, Google has managed to outdo Apple. Furthermore, the Pixel Watch appears to have taken inspiration from the Apple Watch design, particularly in the utilization of a digital crown and a single side button with comparable navigation features. The primary contrast between the two watches lies in the positioning of the button. While the Apple Watch button is located below the crown, the Pixel Watch button is situated above it. In terms of display, the screens of the Apple Watch are significantly larger compared to the Pixel Watch, despite both watches utilizing OLED panels and being capable of achieving higher levels of brightness. However, the size of the screen ultimately determines the amount of content that can be displayed. The screen on the 45mm model measures 1.9 inches, while the 41mm model's display is 1.7 inches, both of which are much larger than the Pixel Watch's 1.2-inch screen. In addition, both watches are 580 water resistant, which means they can survive after being submerged in water 50 meters deep for 30 minutes. On paper, the Apple Watch is a superior fitness tracker compared to the Pixel Watch. Both the Apple Watch and Pixel Watch are equipped with standard health tracking features such as heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen monitoring, electrical and ECG capabilities, as well as ovulation tracking. The Apple Watch also boasts a skin temperature sensor and superior sleep tracking abilities, including the ability to track temperature changes throughout the night. Additionally, the Apple Watch offers a seamless experience for recording a workout and fitness data through its apps. The Pixel Watch is a close competitor lacking only a temperature sensor. However, what sets the Pixel Watch apart is its strong integration with Fitbit, a highly popular fitness tracking platform with a devoted following in the tech world. The Pixel Watch comes with a specialized Fitbit app that has been integrated with Google, and it works seamlessly with a standard Fitbit app for Android. The app provides the wide range of workouts and tracking tools, which cater to different fitness needs. Additionally, users can enjoy a 6-month free subscription to Fitbit Premium, which includes mindfulness tips, a detailed breakdown of the stress management score, and other helpful features. On a full charge, Google claims the Pixel Watch can last for up to 24 hours, while the always-on display and some other features turn off. Whereas, the Apple Watch Series 8 can deliver up to 18 hours. Regarding the price tag, the Google Pixel Watch is available at $350. On the other hand, you have to pay $399 for Apple Watch Series 8. As you can see, Series 8 is a bit expensive compared to the Pixel Watch, and that's why it has so much to offer. In short, the Pixel Watch may not be the most powerful smartwatch available, and it may not have the same battery life as the Apple Watch Series 8. It still holds up quite well in direct comparison. Its performance is impressive, and it provides a glimpse into the promising future of Wear OS. Though some users may find the Pixel Watch to be a satisfying choice, those who prioritize reliability, longevity, and power may still find the Apple Watch Series 8 to be the superior overall option. Alright, that's all for now. I appreciate you checking out the video and hopefully like it enough to like, comment on, and share it with others. Please subscribe to our channel if you found this video helpful. If similar videos should continue to appear in your stream, then click here.